Hmm. Something said that I exceeded the allowable time, and now new recording has started. So I hope it's set up this way because then I don't have to do anything. I just talk. Yeah, and you listen, and then hopefully you will get interested in what I'm saying. All right. So let me do some organizing things, but I don't know what I wanted to do. I have everything I need, and then two lights. Perfect. Look at my face. It's lit up enough. So, do you want to talk? All right. Where did we stop? I don't remember anything. I would like to go back to the video I just watched. But, if I start thinking, you say, oh, this guy is losing it. He doesn't remember. Maybe I don't remember. But if I watch, fuck. See what the state of mind I am now. I pushed my left hand, left palm against the steering wheel so hard that I. You heard that. So, never happened to me before. What am I? Why am I excited? Because nobody watches those videos but me. So I basically record them for myself. But I think it's so interesting. It's like psychological study of the brain of the, you know, uh, how do you call it? Senior citizen brain. Yeah. Male. That should have been the first. Male, brain, and then the rest of it. Male brain is very complicated. It's, well, my male brain could be very affected by, what do you say, delicate, uh, delicate things, but they could be also insinuations. And everybody falls for it, for insinuations. Hmm. New word. World. No, I don't want to end a new world order because I don't even uh, want to want people to notice. Yeah, that now what I'm talking about. I want all the people to notice. All the lazy